How to fix Telegram bot not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix Telegram not working bot. So in order to fix your Telegram bot isn't working, you could follow this simple steps. So first thing, you want to open the Telegram application. And when you open up the Telegram application, then you could go to the bot or the chat page where you have your Telegram bot. And after which, what you need is you have to make sure to verify that your bot token is correct and your server is running and connected to the internet as well. So then, apart from it, what you also need to do is you could verify that your server's firewall settings aren't blocked or blocking the bot's connection. And if the issue still persists on, you could try restarting your Telegram application and at the same time restarting the device. That might be able to solve your issue. However, if the issue still persists on, then what you need to do is you could just in the group chat, a bot might be a privacy mode and only see messages addressed to them. You could use @BotFather or set privacy command to disable it for you or for your bot if needed, and that might be able to help. So these are a couple things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.